Holy shit, what's going on right now? Look at that. Yo guys, what is going on? Thank you for checking out the video. You're tuning into Connor G, and Connor G is out on a quick little ride before it gets dark out, just because I needed to get out here and ride a little bit. Woo! Oh, I love this EC4P motor so much. Guys, I gotta apologize in advance because you're gonna hear me singing a lot more in my videos, and that's because last video I just put on the Siphon Sound Pro headset. So now I'm gonna be jamming out. Hopefully this music will motivate me to be better at my wheelies. Woo! Can we do a stoppie? Woo! Yeah, we're gonna ride over to the art museum real quick, just see if anyone's out. It's real cold out today. It's like 30, so holy shit. I doubt a lot of people will be out. It's like 30 degrees out. If anyone's curious with the electric stuff in the cold weather, you're probably not gonna get as much range out of it, but performance-wise, it should still be fine. Range is just gonna be less, I imagine, but it's not a problem or bad for the motor, the battery to ride in this weather. You just wanna make sure that you don't charge it while it's like in this weather. So don't charge it outside in 30-degree weather. Bring it inside. You should store the batteries inside anyways when it's below like 40 degrees. And then just charge it inside. I store the whole bike inside to keep it nice and safe. Dude, what in the cluster is going on right now? Why are all these people in the middle of the street? That's the power of the EC4P right there, guys. It'll spin the hell out of those tires. Also, I have the welded freewheel, so it's immediate power. We got the copter up today. I wonder why. Oh, there's cops right there too, actually. They must be doing something at the art museum, I imagine. Let's pop in real quick. There's literally 2 helicopters up there right now. I wonder why. Hopefully they're not after me on the Razor. I doubt it, but you know, let's keep it up, straighten it out. Our transfers to Nenox are also getting a lot better, if you can't tell. A lot more consistent. I just forgot, guys. Actually, I think I'm gonna start selling stickers. So I put it on my Instagram story. I've done a couple different prints. So if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments. If you cop a sticker, it could help support the channel. We're doing a TikTok over here. But yeah, I'll show those actually right now over the video so you can check them out. Let me know if you like them, if you'd be interested in copping any. I think they're pretty cool. I gotta keep some around with me though so I can give them out to people as I meet them. Oh yeah, see, the brake one-handers are just so much better now. We gotta get our throttle one-handers dialed again now. There we go. Because we gotta get back to doing hand drags. I haven't done it since I put on the extended swing arm. Not because it's that much harder, but just because I haven't really had time to practice them. Definitely need to put on new rear brake pads though. What is going on? Dude, the art museum is hot right now with cops. There's gotta be something going on here. Yep, more cops over there. You got news here? Something is going down. But I don't know what. This is weird. What all is going on right now? What's that? Protest. Oh, for what? Like Palestine? Yeah, you too. So they're not out here to get me for my wheelies. Dude, it just looks cold, and I promise it is even colder than it looks right now. I miss the summer, man. I bet you no one's really at the skate park now. Oh, damn. Guys, I can never overstate enough how nice it is just to go out and ride. When you're just stressed and busy and have a million things going on, the riding helps. Hill climb. In the wet on the sumos, doesn't matter. Of course not. All right, we're gonna go pop over to the cafe, see if anyone's around. But once we're practicing, we're chilling. 2 steps on the frickin' thing. Damn, so they have the police lined up all over there for this protest. I forgot about this little area over here. This is like circle wheelie heaven. You have so much space. It might be a square, but it's good for circles still. Hit this 2-step. I know it's only 1 step. I'm still waiting for someone to take like a jet ski off that. Or maybe like get towed and fly off it on a wakeboard. That would be sick. What's this? I've never been on this before. Let's put on our headlight. Back up. Ah! No, I messed it up. Sorry guys, sorry to disappoint. Oh yeah, I forgot. I think next video, I've got the V2 forks from Electro & Co. So I'm gonna put those on, test them out, see if there's a noticeable difference from V1. Okay, pulling up to the cafe. It's a little early for people to be coming out. Yeah, no one's here. Not just we. See, I told you guys I'd be singing. Should I go check out this protest? Or, yeah, I think it's called a protest, right? Oh, that was sketchy. Can we get our right leg through the bars? Ah! Ooh. I just knocked my front plastics off. Yeah, guys, that's another thing I'm going to do. I'm going to put the stock plastics back on. Look, I just kicked that out. I mean, I think it's just because I didn't do as great of a job of putting it on as I should have. But, like, they really don't fit that well. I like the stock plastics more anyways, so I'm going to put the stock ones back on. They're a little cracked, but I love the straight red look. Look at that. Oh, man, it got dark fast. Oh, a little jump. Woo! Hope my tail light's on. I think it is. Nice turn signal. Oh, wait, there's a Christmas village going on. So where the hell are these people protesting at? Well, while we wait for this light, might as well get some practice in. Almost ate it, dude. Holy hell. It's cold and the tires don't have a lot of grip, I'll tell you that. I've actually eaten it doing exactly that before, but I'm glad it didn't happen right there. Would have been embarrassing. Yeah, f this. Alright guys, well I think I'm going to end it there. Hope you enjoyed this video. Watch out, big truck. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Plenty of videos to come as always. But I'll catch you next time. Peace.